you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Mazda CX-5 in Snowflake White Pearl. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINO'SCJD.com, stock number D6326.
Mazda certified pre-owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda certified means that you have both limited and powertrain warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic certified pre-owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.